Hey guys, so for this video, I'm going to show you how to use Uform right here, which is a Typeform alternative. So as you can see right here, the most affordable Typeform alternative. So Uform is a form builder that provides unlimited forms and responses for free. So you could add logic, custom domains, and upload files, embed forms to your website, and much more. So you could also import your Typeform URL right here by clicking on import it now. And there's also a sample form right here where you could just simply click on let's start or click here to open it on a new tab. So as you can see, this is the sample form. So let's start, and as you can see, it will ask you how did you hear about Uforms. You just simply go through the questions here, but we're going back. So now we are going to create our account. So if you already have an account, you can skip this part. But for me, I don't have any account yet, so I'm going to click on create free account. And it will bring me right here. So you could either sign up with Google or just simply input your own email address right there. So for me, I'm going to use the sign up with Google option. After you have signed up, it will bring you right here, which will ask you, how did you hear about Uform? So let's say I'm going to go with Reddit and click on submit. So you will be brought here on this page. So I don't have any forms created yet since this is a new account. So if you want to create your form, just simply click on create form right here. And here you can just select a template from the given templates right here, or you could also import it from Typeform, or just simply start with a blank form. Well, let's say I'm going to go with the customer feedback form. So you could also check the preview if you want. So there's the preview, just simply need to wait for it to load. So there's a preview, and there's the mobile view. You could switch from desktop and mobile view. So I'm just gonna simply use it right here. Click on use it, then wait for it to load, and now it will bring it right here. So there are 5 sections on this template. So the first one is this, and the final one is this. So finally, do you have any suggestions or comments? So you could also edit out anything that you see right here. So you could edit out the question, you could edit out the description, you could change the text to bold or italic, and you could also add a link right here. And of course, a YouTube embed. And you could change the text on the button right here. So let's say I want to go with start or something like that. And as you can see, it is now changed. So this is a live preview. So I'm gonna change it back to next. And you could also change the text box size. So default it is set to medium. So you could pick from small, large, or extra large. And this is the required field, so it will make the question required. So if checked, users will be required to complete this field. And you could also have a max character right here. So leave blank if you don't want it to have any limits. And also you could add a cover image right there. So select image just like that. And you could also edit out the logic right here on the top right side. So you could change or add the logic. And if you want to add something, just simply need to click on add block right here. So you could also pick from any type of block that you want. So you could go with contact info, long text, phone number, statement, website URL, drop down list. So let's say I want to put the star rating. So use this block and it will add another block right here. And if you click on the 3 dots right here, you could either duplicate or delete any block that you want. So, and you could also drag out the parts right here. So let's say I want to move the rating section or the rating block up to the top, and it will automatically change the numberings also. So I'm just gonna make it go back here at the bottom. So next is the design field. So you could also change the designs if you want. So for the background, you could change it. You could add the color code for it. So let's say I want something darker. I'm gonna change it to this color. You could also change the colors of the questions, the font or the text of the questions, the answers, and also the background image right here. You could upload your own and also select the brightness for it. So just like that. And you could also select your logo, but it is for the pro option. And for the rounded corners, if you want, so just like that. I'm gonna go with this one. And you could also change the font size. So once that's done, you could also check out the theme gallery. So they have a ton of themes right here that you could use. And next is the integrate section. So you could connect your webhook, your Google Sheets, Slack, Zapier, and Google Tag Manager. Then next is the settings right here where you could enable or disable the options right here, which is the progress bar, navigation arrows. So these are the up and down arrows that are shown in the bottom right corner of the questions, where you could skip or move on to whatever question that you want. And you could also enable captcha right here. So please disable it if you're using custom domain. Otherwise, your form won't work. So they will soon allow you to add your own reCAPTCHA key for custom domains. And as you can see right here, you could also show powered by Uform. You could enable or disable this if you have the pro version or pro plan of Uform. And you could also change your email settings, your access. So the closed form by data, and closed form by submissions, which is available soon. And hidden fields right here, links, the link settings, and of course the language. So there are tons of selections that you could pick from. And once that's done, once everything is ready, you just simply need to go to share right here. So if you haven't published your form yet, click on publish now right here, or publish now here on the top right. So click on publish now, and as you can see, your masterpiece is now live. So you could either copy the link, open form in a new tab, share it on Facebook, share it on X, share it on LinkedIn, or you could get the QR code for anyone to scan and open up your quiz. And you could also customize your form link, set up integrations, and embed in website. So as you can see, this is the QR code that popped up. And if someone already answered your quiz, you will see it here on the results section, where you will see all of the submissions, the summary, and the analytics, just like that. So you will see the views, the starts, the submissions, completion rate, and the completion time. So you can get more analytics if you buy the pro plan right here. So there's basically two options for the pricings or plans of Uform. So which is the pro plan and the basic plan or normal plan, which is the free plan. So if you buy the pro plan for Uform, you can remove the powered by Uform branding. You can fully customize the thank you pages, remove 10 MB file upload limit, send email to respondent on submission, configure email for notification of submissions, view and download partial submissions, add your own domain for form pages, collect payments using Stripe, and invite and collaborate with team members. So buying pro will cost you $29 a month, and you could get 30% off or $20 a month if you go with the annual payment. And if you want to try the pro plan, or if you want to get access to the form features before buying it, you can request a trial by dropping an email at this email address right here. And that's basically it for this video, guys. I hope you have found this video helpful, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share it with someone who might also find this video helpful. And that's basically it.